Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to play Roblox on two accounts at the same time. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your start menu and search for Roblox. Over here, check the Roblox options on the right side. If you don't see them, click the arrow next to the Roblox app on the left. After that, if the app is called Roblox Player or shows open file location, then you have the desktop version. If it's called Roblox and shows app settings, then you have the Microsoft Store version. Then get the version you don't have. Over here, to get the desktop version, go to the Roblox website and sign in. After that, select any game and click the play button. Then click the download button when the new window opens. Open the download manager, then choose show in folder or open file location. After that, double click on the Roblox player installation file. Then click yes if prompted. Once installed, click the sign in button. Then sign in to your second account and open the other Roblox application. Over here, you can move or resize the window as needed. To get the Microsoft app version, open the start menu and search for Microsoft Store. After that, open it and type Roblox in the search box. Then select Roblox from the list. Click the get or install button. After that, wait for Roblox to install. Then click play. Then sign in to the account you want to use. Over here, you can also move or resize this window. Another way is to play on another device like a phone, tablet, or console. You can set it up on a stand or second monitor depending on the device. So that's basically how you can play Roblox on two accounts at the same time. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.